What's up, party people? Look at all this good food. Oh my god. Yeah, let's just some fries. Look at that. Brisket. Yeah. Oh, so I saw this guy named Hoos Snack Bar. And that dude was showing off his goods. Look at all that. Woo! Boxes of fun! Look at that! 31 boxes of fun! Plus, look at this, man! All the stuff other people brought! Giving it away for free! The Fanatic Spirit is here, baby! Fanatic Spirit is here! You looking for it? You got it, motherfucker! Uh-oh, am I allowed to say motherfucker? Can I say motherfucker? I guess I can. 'Cause I did! What's up, party people? Let's hear it! Fanatics forever! Once a fanatic, always a fanatic. That's right, motherfucker! Oh, is that Woody? Woody! Woody, are you watching, Woody? Woody, I can't see if you're texting. I'm too motherfucking drunk. Look at us, man. We got people everywhere. We got little people. We got big people. We got people everywhere. We got people that don't want to be on camera. They're hiding in the corner. Look. This guy has so much fanatic spirit. He went to 2 FDOs. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Say hi to Hoos, baby. Yeah, baby. Oh, and we got a couple of likes. What's with the likes, people? Woody. Funko Tree says hi, everybody. Say hi to Woody. Come on. Hey, Woody. Hey, Woody. Let's hear it. Woody, 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 Woody. There you go, brother. That's your nickname. That's it. All right, guys. We're going to cut out. You know why? Because I got some eating to do. Brisket. You got everything. Chicken, pulled pork, mashed potatoes. Everything, baby. Plus, we got some shit to give away. Look at all this good stuff. Good Funko Spirit coming your way. Not your way, but coming their way. All right, baby.